Oh yeah. I'm gonna show you guys my new favorite interior detailer. Let's do it. So that product that I'm talking about is Geon Quartz's Q2M Interior Detailer. Once again, on point with bottling, the color of the liquid, just everything looks so nice, looks elegant, and it catches your attention. The second I pulled it out of the box, my youngest daughter grabbed it out of my hands and she went crazy about the color. I love the color. And then she's looking at the bottle and how awesome the bottle looks. Does that make the product work better? No, but it sure is nice to look at, and when it's sitting on your shelf, it always looks nice over there on your shelf. Interior Detailer, you guys, is a total interior detailer. Anytime I get a new product, I like to go onto YouTube, see what people are talking about, and I came across Esoteric's review of this product, Todd, and he absolutely loves it. He said he used the same interior detailer for about 12 years until this came out, and this took its place right here. You can use it on any of the interior surfaces. It's not going to streak. It's not going to leave any type of film behind. It's going to leave UV protection, and your dashboard, if you use it on your dash and your door panel, it's just going to look brand new. Now, I can tell you it does have a citrusy orange scent, and I can smell a hint of alcohol of some sort. That's probably for the cleaning. And my oldest daughter smelled it. She said it smelled like hand sanitizer. And it's funny because anytime I get new products, we seem to smell them as a family. It's kind of weird. But it's not overwhelmingly, though. It smells good, but just has to have a hint of some type of alcohol in it. And when I watched Todd's video from Esoteric, he said, people in the comments are going to ask what's in it. He goes, I don't know, unicorn tears. Who cares? It works. And that's my point of view on products also. I don't care what's in it. I just want to do what it says it's going to do, and this delivers. Says it's a strong hygienic action, removes daily contaminants, and leaves a pure, clean surface, and it does. Read the back really quick, you guys, so you guys understand. It says, keep your interior clean and purified for you and your passengers. Interior Detailer removes a majority of organic contaminants easily and effectively. Use it as a refreshing, quick detailer on all interior surfaces of your vehicle, safe on leather, plastic, Alcantara, fabrics, glass, and all trim types. So basically anything on the interior of your car. And people ask all the time, what can you use to on Alcantara? Well, this right here, you can use that on your Alcantara steering wheel. Basically, all you want to do, use a dedicated interior cleaner. This is a detailer. There's a difference. Detailer is basically your protectant to remove like dust and stuff, but it's going to leave a UV protection. Your cleaner is what's going to go in and clean it before you use this. I've already done on the car we're doing on, but you want to use your interior cleaner first, and then after that, you're going to spray this into a microfiber towel. You're going to wipe it onto the surface, flip the towel over, buff it off, but it flashes really fast anyways, but you just always want to make sure you go back over it with the dry side. So I already cleaned the interior of this car with a dedicated interior cleaner other than a few spots. The radio screen, the instrument cluster, the top of the dash, and the top of the steering wheel has a lot of dust and stuff on it, so you guys can see what it does. And then I didn't do the passenger front door panel. The rest of the car I used a dedicated interior cleaner on before I plan on using this on those surfaces. All right, you guys, so that's enough talking. Let's get into the car. Let me show you guys what this stuff can do. All right, you guys, so what I want to show you really quick is up close so you guys can get an idea of what the flashing looks like. See how it's dark and it's gone. There's really not a whole lot to buff off. Now, if you oversaturate, I'll show you guys. If you oversaturate and see how it's really wet, it's not going to flash fast. You're going to have to come back in, but look what happens. Even though you oversaturated your towel, it's gone with the dry side of the towel. Really easy to use. As you can see, I'm hoping you can see this. There's like where stuff's been spilled right there. Stuff on the armrest. There are scuffs and stuff. There's nothing to do about the scuffs, obviously, but just a little bit of stuff here and there, dust and stuff like that. All we're going to do, you're going to shake it well. You're going to open the top. What I'm going to do, that's good enough right there. And we're just going to come in and we're just going to wipe. Ooh. Okay, and then you're going to flip over to your dry side. And really, you're not really doing much. But I always like to follow it up. that just looks so nice. I actually need to get a brush in here, you guys, so you're gonna notice that when I show you what it looks like. All these little cubbies on these terrains. I mean, there's actually times you don't even have to follow it up because it just flashes so fast. You're gonna see a little bit of stuff here in the cracks. I'll get that here in just a little bit, but let me show you guys what it looks like. So you remember what that panel looked like? Where like Pepsi or some type of Coke or something got spilled, it's gone. No shine at all, right? There's nothing we can do about these scuffs once again. But everything is nice and clean. Feels great. There's no stickiness to it, no greasy feel or anything. All right, you guys, so as you can see in here, a lot of dust, just some stuff on that screen right there, on top of the steering wheel, the instrument cluster, the dashboard, everything else I cleaned, pre-cleaned with a dedicated cleaner. But I want to show you, so we're gonna, a couple sprays. We're gonna come in and clean this screen and the dust and stuff that's sitting underneath the screen. Okay, and then we're gonna flip it over to the dry side. Okay, that looks really good. I get a couple more sprays in my towel. We're gonna go right on top of the steering wheel. Clean all that off of there. Go right over the steering wheel, the airbag. It's hard to film interior by yourself, but hopefully you guys can kind of see what I'm doing, but I'll show you the afters anyways, before and afters. I'm just gonna go right over the instrument cluster plastic screen. Now, as you're using this interior detailer, as your towel becomes saturated, you may have to have a secondary towel with you for the dry buff. That looks really good. There are some scratches on it from fingernails, but okay. And then we're going to do the actual dashboard. I mean, it's like it's not even wet as you're using it. All right, you guys, here we are in my truck. And as you can see, all the fingerprints and dust and stuff on the screen. And this light really messes this camera up. As you can see, so I'm gonna set you here. Hopefully I don't knock you guys over. We're just gonna spray it right into the towel. Edges. I mean, it flashes really fast. It's pretty much gone at that point. Okay, I mean, that quick, that easy. As you can see how nice that looks now. I know this light messes it up, but at least this way you can kind of see there's no fingerprints or anything. It looks like a brand new screen. It works extremely well on like nav screens and stuff. So that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. This Gyeon Quartz interior detailer is amazing. It is so good. I'm hoping I was able to show you guys why I think so in this video. It flashes fast, as I showed you. If you oversaturate your towel, no big deal, because when you go with the dry side, it's gonna come right off. It's gonna still look just like it would if you use the proper amount, but I wanted to showcase that so you guys can see, oh man, I used way too much. It's okay. It will flash off, no problem at all once you hit it with the dry side of the towel. Great on instrument clusters, great on navigation screens, as I showed you. Took the fingerprints off, took the dust off, left no streaking, left no film, left nothing behind other than some UV protection, which is what it's all about. And then on top of the steering wheel, I was able to show you all that stuff is on top of the steering wheel. It had no problem taking it off, which you don't expect it to. It's more like just heavy dust and stuff like that. And on the door panel where that little bit of liquid was, where it looked like something was spilled on the door, no problem there, you guys. Just this product flat out works, and which is what I absolutely love about products like these. I want them to do what they say they're gonna do. The scent, you guys, is very good. I actually like the scent to this. While you're using it, you can smell it. It's not overwhelming. It's nice though, because it leaves a nice pleasant scent inside the car. It just smells clean while you're using it, which is always a positive when you're using a product like this, you guys. Now this product says it can be used on pretty much anything on the interior. I showed you guys the dashboard, instrument cluster, GPS screen, and the door panel, but it says you can use it on glass, leather, and stuff like that. I normally don't do that. I used it in this video the way that I would want to use it. You're more than welcome, obviously, if you buy it, to try it on your leather and stuff like that. I just usually use dedicated leather cleaners and glass cleaners when it comes to cleaning those parts of the vehicle, and interior detailers to do the doors, the instrument clusters, and stuff like that, you guys. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If this is a product that you guys would like to try out, and I recommend definitely trying it out, if it's on Amazon, I will put it down in my Amazon store. There's always a link to that in the description of this video. And just remember, if you do buy from my Amazon store, I do make a little bit off of each sale. If Gyeon Quartz is something you want to see on my website, which is coming very soon, and by the time this video is out, it might be out, I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section. Let me know if it's something you guys are interested in seeing in my store, where you can go and you can buy the Gyeon products also, you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video and checking it out. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.